Today I was thinking to make something light and sweet, so I decided to make a lemon cake. Whenever I bake this, my kitchen fills with such a fresh lemon smell. It's quick to prepare and honestly it turns out perfect. This is the kind of cake I enjoy most with a cup of tea in the evening. Even everyone waits for it whenever I make this recipe. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. Now take 1 fresh lemon. Grate the lemon to make 1 teaspoon of zest. Be careful not to take the white part because it tastes bitter. Now cut the lemon and I am going to squeeze out juice until I have 1/4 cup. Friends, this will give the cake its fresh flavor. Already the lemon smell will make you feel fresh and happy. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now take the lemon zest in a mixing bowl. Break 3 eggs into the bowl. Now add half cup of sugar and beat them well until the mixture looks light and a little fluffy. Instead of using a beater, you can use a simple whisk. It's more than enough to mix everything nicely. Now I am going to add 1/4 cup of oil and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla essence for extra flavor. Now I am going to mix again for 1 to 2 minutes. Now save 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Now slowly add the dry flour with the egg mixture. When all flour is mixed, pour 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Mix gently. Now the batter is smooth and has a nice lemon smell. Now take a cake mold. Brush it with oil so the cake does not stick. You can also add baking paper at the bottom. Pour the cake batter inside and spread evenly. Tap the mold lightly to remove bubbles. Now it is ready. Preheat a pan for 5 minutes. Place the mold in the preheated pan. Keep on low to medium flame for 30 to 35 minutes. After that, cool down the cake completely. While the cake cools, make a lemon glaze. Take half cup of powdered sugar in a small bowl. Take 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix until smooth and shiny. The glaze should be a little thick but easy to pour. This glaze will make the cake extra tangy taste. When the cake cools down completely, I am going to demold the cake. Friends, which recipe would you like to see next? You can tell me in the comment section below. Next, I will pour the lemon glaze we made earlier. I like this part because the glaze slowly drips down the sides and makes the cake look so shiny and tempting. It adds that extra tangy sweetness which makes every bite even more delicious. Every bite is sweet, tangy and full of freshness. Just perfect for any time of the day. This cake is so easy to make. It's great for sharing with friends or enjoying with a cup of tea. You can also keep it in the fridge to stay fresh for a few days. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.